Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. Today is Vlogmas Day 5. I can't believe I am still on a roll. I'm so proud of myself because Vlogmas is hard, but I'm doing it and I'm getting through it and I'm getting the videos up and I'm just like, it's just crazy. Anyways, I straightened my hair this morning. I threw some makeup on just to kind of look decent because I have a couple work video calls today that I have to get on. I don't plan on vlogging too much today because I just have so much like work to do with like my job. So in this video, I do plan on meal prepping my dinner for you guys. This is the last meal of this week that I'm gonna be meal prepping. I'm really excited because this is probably gonna be one of my favorite meals this week. So I started a squat challenge yesterday in which I have a separate video on that for you guys. So basically I did 100 squats yesterday and I'm gonna do 100 squats all month. But I woke up and obviously my legs were sore, but my back was super duper sore. It was so painful and I've never felt that, and I think it's from the squats, and I hope it's from the squats. My back really hurts, guys. I was almost in tears this morning because I couldn't get out of bed because my back was hurting. If I would have had to go into the office, I would have definitely called off because I literally couldn't get out of bed. Also, if you guys have an Instagram, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day. I talk to so many of you guys on Instagram. I will link it right here. Not link it, I'll put it right here. So you guys can follow me. And yeah, so I'm gonna start my day and I will see you guys later. Back so soon. I know. I wanted to show you guys the vitamins that I take every single day. I take a woman's 1-a-day vitamins every day. I take a zinc every day. I also take a biotin every day. And I also take a vitamin C gummy, or like one of those things where it just like dissolves in your mouth, but vitamin C. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't think I've ever taken vitamins like as a child growing up. I just started taking vitamins like 2 years ago because of Jamal. Every single day Jamal wakes up and he's like, did you take your vitamin? Did you take your vitamin? I left your vitamins out. Don't forget your vitamin. Take your vitamins. Don't forget your vitamins. Give Micah a vitamin. Don't forget Isaiah a vitamin. Micah a vitamin. I need a vitamin. Vitamins, vitamins, vitamins. And I get it, guys. That's just not what I know, and my parents never gave me vitamins growing up, but I get it now. I do give Micah a vitamin every single day. Jamal is so big on vitamins. He buys the vitamins, he leaves them out for me. He's just a very big vitamin person because he believes that, and I believe it too, but since with the virus going on, it just really helps your immune system to just kind of stay strong, and just kind of protect it from, you know, things that are out there. So yeah, that is why I take my vitamins every single day. It's because of Jamal. I just started getting vitamins from my parents. They've never taken vitamins ever, and they just turned 50, so yeah, we are clearly a vitamin household here. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. All right, guys, it's time to meal prep our dinner, and tonight Jamal is going to be making everything. So if you're new to my channel, this is my fiance Jamal.
What's up, y'all? How's it going?
And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to like prove to you guys that this is so simple to do, so simple to make. Jamal like has never made zoodles, or he doesn't even like vodka sauce.
I don't know what it is.
The point is, I want to prove to you guys that it is super simple to do, super simple to meal prep. So are you ready?
I'm down. Let's get it.
All right, guys, let's go.
Chef Miz in the house.
So I'm gonna be behind the camera, so you guys aren't gonna see me too much. You guys are gonna see more so of Jamal, but you guys will be hearing my voice. So let's go. So we are gonna start off with 3 zucchinis. You're gonna have to spiral this yourself. Have you ever? It means you make it into like spaghetti. The zucchini. Okay, so do you know why people that are on low carb or keto use zucchini instead of spaghetti noodles?
No, I don't.
You really truly don't?
No.
Why do you think I don't eat spaghetti? And why do you think I use
carbs?
Okay. So
I never know you could do like zucchini.
Okay. We have mushrooms, we have vodka sauce, and we have meatballs. All right, what should we do first? All right, so Jamal and I had to help him because his wrist was hurting, you know, keto problems. We're gonna set this aside and we're gonna work on the meatballs. So how do you wanna cook your meatballs?
On the stove.
Okay, you can do it in the stove, you can do it in the air fryer.
What?
If it was me, I would put it in the air fryer, but I'm letting you choose.
Nope. Look.
All right, so we're just gonna throw the meatballs, I guess, in the air fryer.
You're dang right.
Yeah, we'll just throw it in the air fryer.
Hit the like button.
Jamal's gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. That's a little bit of oil.
Oh.
Okay, that's good.
Now I never.
What did you
I
say?
never made spinach in here before, so I don't know what is about to happen. Now I know when it's done.
It's done. And it's creamy vodka pasta sauce. And this one has only 6 net carbs per half a cup. So that's pretty good.
Yeah, they look about done, huh?
Yeah, they almost do. I would make them a little more brown. We're gonna let this sit for a couple minutes and we're gonna add the meatballs into the pan. So we're just gonna let the meatballs sit in the vodka sauce so it can soak up the flavors. Ooh, that looks good. Wow, look at all the spinach, mushrooms. And this is how I like mine, guys. I don't like it too soft, like I said, and I still like that crunch. And as you guys can, hopefully you guys can see, it'll still have that crunch that I like. I would suggest meal prepping in these kind of containers because they are separated. I'm gonna have well, I'll show you, but I'll have the noodles here and the sauce and meatballs here. So then I am going to add the sauce right on the side here. All right, guys, everything is all done. Look how pretty everything looks. It's so colorful. Wow. So what I'm gonna do when I'm ready to eat dinner, I'm just gonna heat this whole thing up in the microwave, and then once it's heated up, I'm gonna throw the zucchini or the zoodles into here, and then that will be dinner. So this is it, guys. All right, and I'm not gonna lie, I kicked Jamal out of the kitchen because he was going super slow and like not up to par. And then finally at the end, I was like, okay, let me do it. And he was just
rude.
I'm sorry, babe, but so I'm actually gonna eat one now. So I'm gonna show you guys what I plan on doing whenever I'm ready to eat this for dinner. So I'm just gonna pull it out of the refrigerator, throw it in the microwave for maybe, I don't know, 2 minutes. And once everything is heated, I'm just gonna throw my zucchini in here and just kind of mix it all around. Maybe add some Parmesan cheese on top. Super easy and quick when you're on the go, when you're at home, you just want something quick to throw in the microwave, and it is low carb and keto friendly. So good. Alright guys, I'm gonna end my video here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video and Vlogmas day number 5. I just made a simple low carb dinner, and it's so easy. When you are ready to eat it, pull it out, throw it in the microwave, and it's so delicious. So I do want to thank Jamal for helping me. He doesn't want to come in the video because he's upset with me because I told him that he was going really slow. But anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye.